This video will demonstrate how to find a specific online journal available from Yale Library. This video will also demonstrate how to search within a specific journal, which can help with topic browsing or finding an article citation. Start your search at the Yale Library website, library.yale.edu. If you're working off campus, be sure to authenticate with your NetID and password when prompted, since it's often the only way to access restricted and licensed e-resources. See our other video on off-campus access for more information. Suppose you want to consult the journal Harvard Business Review for research on entrepreneurship. To check if this journal is available online, navigate to the menu Find, Request, and Use, and select eJournals. Here you can search by title, Harvard Business Review, or by ISSN by using the drop-down menu. The ISSN search can be useful if you have a complete citation. Your results will show which databases provide access to this journal. If you're looking for a specific citation, be sure to select a database that provides the publication dates you need. For example, Harvard Business Review is available in Gale databases from 1997 to 2000, but the database Business Source Complete provides coverage from 1922 to present. You also have the option to conduct a keyword search within all the available coverage years using Search inside this journal. This option is great if you are interested in browsing topics within a specific journal. For example, to find articles on women entrepreneurs published in the Harvard Business Review, you might enter a search for Women Entrepreneur. Your search results will display in a new window for Articles Plus at the article level. The search bar at the top will display the ISSN for the journal along with your search term or phrase. You can also quickly review your search results to confirm that the material is from the Harvard Business Review. To access an article, select the option for Available Online or Full Text Online. If you have any questions, reach out to us at ask.library.yale.edu.